What's up, guys? Bit of an unfamiliar face with Redemption Media. My name's Alistair. I hail from Mildura, Victoria, and I'm just here to jump on. I'm really excited just to jump on the team with AJ. And yeah, great guys.
It's good to have Alistair on the team. He's an absolute asset. We're lucky to have him. An asset.
Yeah.
Attention like I never would have thought. I tried to comprehend it, but I knew it from the start. You work a little differently than anyone I've ever known. Hope this little moment's got me chasing you for miles. I open up the window just to see if you're around. I'm wishing I could show you all these feelings that I felt. Whoa. You got a hold of me. I'm diving in head first, hoping I can love you so recklessly. You hit me like a tidal wave, I'm falling off. You got me hypnotized, mesmerized, wrapped around your finger till the lights go low. You got a hold of me, a hold of me. That's beating through my heart. You walk a little closer and I feel it coming on. Crazy for your energy that echoes anywhere I go. Riding these highs, sunk in these lows, still on my mind, it's out of control. I can't let you go. Got my cards folded, waiting for you. Hey, hey. You got a hold of me. I'm diving in head first, hoping I can love you so recklessly. You hit me like a tidal wave, I'm falling off. You got me hypnotized, mesmerized, wrapped around your finger till the lights go low. You got a hold of me, a hold of me.
What are we going to expect tomorrow?
A couple of fucking cars,
Couple of planes.
couple of people, couple of planes,
Couple fucking beers.
hopefully a couple of fucking beers, bit of a fire and some beers at the end of the fucking night.
Couple punch-ons.
Oh, hopefully.
If fucking Alistair or something, for sure, cunt.
Wait, Alistair with a couple of bundies.
As long as I start and finish them, fucking say less.
I'm rare, like these diamonds that I wear. Gold lace, please you like no other. Heartbeat racing, I'ma put you through these paces. Be the best you ever tasted. Gonna stay on your mind, come back every time, baby. I'ma keep you craving. Baby, I'ma keep you craving. Baby, I'ma keep you craving. drug you can't refuse. You picked your poison, boy, ain't nothing left to choose. Now you can't get enough. Intoxicated, can't recover. Seductive eyes, I'll keep you close. Put your hand on my hips, hold through your wrist, press to these lips. Kiss, I won't tell. I rare like these diamonds that I wear. Gold lace, please you like no other. Heartbeat racing, I'ma put you through these paces. Be the best you ever tasted. Gonna stay on your mind, come back every time. I'ma keep it craving.
There was a voltage going through the car, and then I was the ground when I was underneath pulling shit off of it.
G'day, mate. How you going? G'day.
And I had all the batteries all
Bro,
wired up to
hey,
36
look.
volts.
You ready?
And I put my elbow on it.
Whoa, dude, that's fucking wild. This thing is robotic.
Yep.
Oh shit, break it down for me. Baby.
Yeah, here's a little story about a little boy, always good at school. His mama raised him proper, nobody could stop her, did all that she could do. But let me bring you to the present where he's living in self-harm and wishing he could get some help. The weight of the world can get so heavy, knowing every expectation is perfection, then you fail. How many times can I play the same song? Is it me who's wrong? I don't know. Am I the one to blame? Am I the one to blame? Yeah, am I the one to blame? Am I the one to blame? Am I the one to blame? Forget that little boy, he's not here anymore. He died a long time ago. He never was successful, he traded his potential for late nights and lazy days. And all his former friends are laughing cause they think it couldn't happen to a bigger piece of shit. Yeah, all of the time they were hoping that he'd choke until he broke and had no brighter life to live. How many times can I play the same song? Is it me who's wrong? I don't know. Am I the one to blame? Am I the one to blame? Yeah, am I the one to blame? Am I the one to blame? Am I the one? All my friends are in my head. How am I supposed to know? I don't know. Am I the one to? I'm not the one to. Am I the one to blame? Am I the one to blame? Yeah, am I the one to blame? Am I the one to blame?
What's up, guys? We're out here. We've had an amazing day driving and drop it 2024, and I'm here with one of the main organisers, Hayden and Ash, aka the Godfather. Hey, we'll get in the sun over here.
My name is Jeff. Yeah, g'day. How's it going, guys? This is Hayden here.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? It's Alice here.
Where are we out here, guys? We're literally on a fucking airfield. I'm not even freaking kidding you guys.
It's going down.
Skibbity toilet. What was your highlight of today?
Seeing all my friends.
Yeah,
Hands down. Seeing all my friends. The cars are just a bonus.
that's it.
Mm-hmm.
100%.
Yep.
It's the love of the people, not the fucking cars, guys.